Okay, you all, serious video today, and wanted to talk to you about the recent comments made by Anthropic CEO, which is further killing them when it comes to them being a PR disaster. But what he's talking about when it comes to jobs like coding and software engineering, I'm also going to share a statistic on what's happening with white collar jobs and why it's so important for you to start a business using AI, using these skills that we have. And I'm going to show you a comparison between Claude Desktop and an alternative program that's a lot more affordable and can really be a benefit to you, especially in these hard times. So we're going to get right into it. Recently, this has about 1.8 million views on Twitter. Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei came out. He said, coding is going away first, then all of software engineering. It's in this 8-minute interview. He makes these comments in about the first 2 minutes. Now, what I will say, because I watched it, is that he doesn't outright say it as bad as the headline gives, but he does talk about how there needs to be more of a focus on human-centric things and maybe mixing AI skills with the skills that take like human-centric jobs. So for example, he was talking about how everybody at Anthropic, they already know how to code. And so they use, Claude Code to help them out. I wouldn't be able to tell the way Anthropic has been so trash lately, but hey, whatever. And talks about how, well, a mix of those things could be good for the job market. Here's the issue that I have with that. We go to this tweet from the Kobayashi letter. It shows that these CEOs aren't listening. But while they're doing that, before I explain that, I want to run a quick test, okay? Because I'm gonna make a point to this by the end of the video, okay? This is Claude Desktop, all right? This is I pay about $200 per month. Well, I just went down to $100 per month. I used to run my entire business on this because of how good it was, right? Okay, and I got no choice but to pay that amount of money per month. Well, I'm gonna put in this prompt. Build a simple and polished website for a local pet shop named Pete's Pets. Hard time saying that. Include a hero, services, real pictures, hours, testimonials, contact info. Save it as an HTML file on my desktop and open it for free for me to see. Okay, so I'm going to run a quick test, okay? So this is Opus 4.7, supposedly the best AI in the world. And I'm just wanting it to make a simple website for me, right? Okay, so we're going to let that run. But as it runs, I'm also going to put up Kiyomi Desktop. I'm releasing this today. It's Mac only. And I'm going to put in the exact same quote, okay? And while I commentate on this news, we're just going to let these run in the background. We're going to do a head-to-head test and see, what's going on with them, okay? Back to this, though. Because Dario is saying that there's a mix, and that'll basically, he's saying it'll help jobs. They'll go away with, coding will go away just being coding on its own. Software engineering will eventually go away. But he's saying, a mix of those things put together will basically be the new jobs. If you watch the first 2 minutes of that video, you'll see that. But see, here's the problem. The people in charge of these companies, besides Anthropic, I guess, these CEOs, they're not listening. They don't care. In their brain, they go, hey, I'll just fire everybody and have Claude Code do it, or have Codex do it. And that's the issue. Let me read this. White collar employment is sharply declining. The number of S&P 500 employees fell 400,000 in 2025 to 28.1 million, posting its first annual decline since 2016. This follows 8 consecutive years of uninterrupted employment growth, adding over 3 million jobs in total. The decline, pay attention to this, was driven by UPS, Oracle, Amazon, Meta, Intel, and Microsoft as corporations race to cut costs and redirect spending toward AI. In 2026, layoffs are set to continue, with Amazon cutting 16,000 corporate jobs, Meta 8,000 positions, and Microsoft offering voluntary buyouts to 8,750 employees. Corporate America is cutting jobs at an accelerating pace. See, they're saying we're going to have AI do it, and then we're going to put in the investment money for AI. So you're sitting here, because I see a lot of people who have this, hatred for AI, and we're letting these run. They have this hatred for AI. Oh no, it's all terrible. And you're right. These companies are awful. Why you got to build data centers and raise everybody's electricity prices when you got billions of dollars to pay for it yourself? Why are you cutting out our fresh water when you know how to build things? We just went to the moon. Okay. I'm pretty sure you know how to build a data center without it using fresh water. All right. Awful. But that's one extreme. You got the other extreme. Oh man, AI is great. It's going to do everything. It's just perfect. And yet I can't get nothing to run right using Claude code. Okay. But it's supposed to be just so great and do everything. No, man, you need to come somewhere in the middle, because let me tell you what the reality is. The reality is that if you have a job, it's real likely that you'll get laid off. If you don't have a job, it's real hard to find another job. That's the reality we're dealing with right now. So what can you do right now? Take these AI tools and find one that works and use it to start a business. Now, you don't have to build an AI-centric business. You can be someone who's a plumber, for example, or an electrician. Mix a trade with AI. Have AI find your bookings. Have AI grow your audience. Have AI be the thing that makes your invoices, makes your website, or you can be someone who's a consultant who makes stuff for people using AI. The point is, start something. But now, see, here's the other level of deception that's happening. The tools. What happens when it comes to, can I afford the tools? And if you've been watching how Anthropic has been moving, how Codex, OpenAI has been moving, they are not even wanting you to have the tools because they price you out. $100 a month to get OpenAI to work good using Codex so that you won't get killed by usage. $200 a month to Anthropic so that you don't get cut off in the middle of your activity. Okay? Right now, again, just to remind you, I have Claude building a website for me, and I've got Kiyomi building a website for me. Well, when they finish, let's see the difference. Okay? Because what I'm trying to guide you towards here is what makes sense for the regular person as far as what do you need. Because when you look at starting your own business, one of the things that you absolutely need is a website. I mean, after, of course, you have a good idea to start a business with, but you absolutely need a website. You absolutely need a way for people to pay you. So invoices, if you want to get as simple as possible. You have a website, you gotta have invoices, and you can go get a YouTube channel, okay, to advertise whatever it is you're doing. And you got a functioning business, because the invoices, you can have them pay you through Zelle. You can have them pay you through Venmo. You can have them pay you through Stripe. The invoice just gives them the link. So website, invoice, and what was the last thing I said? YouTube channel, way to do distribution. Okay. And you got a functioning business. Now, look, Claude here, 5 minutes, 50 seconds to make a website. So it ain't like this AI is the quickest thing ever. All right. Because look, Kiyomi actually finished first. And look at this website. All that needs to change is this needs to be moved to the left. Okay. So it's not in front of the picture. You've got visiting. You've got our services, expert grooming, premium nutrition, wellness checks. You've got pictures, meet the neighbors, our little grooming and premium food. You've got testimonials like was asked for. You've got visit the shop. So here's your website done here. One flaw, moving this to the left. Yeah, it's not perfect. I don't know what AI is. And let's look at Claude. Claude's still working. We're going on 8 minutes now. Mind you, this is the best AI in the world. Okay. So let's see what happens when it opens it up. But again, let me pull up the cost of Claude, okay? And I'll put the camera on me, and I'll just go to the plans for Claude. So Claude, you're looking at monthly, you go $20 a month. I'm gonna tell you right now, your usage won't amount to anything. Max, you go $100 a month. You get more usage. Yeah, they won't cut you off. And then you can also push this up to $200 a month to get even more, to really get it being able to work for you. Okay, so I'm either paying $20 a month or I'm paying $100 a month. If I really wanted to work well, I'm paying $200 a month. How much does Kiyomi Desktop cost that I just showed you? Kiyomi Desktop cost $149 once. That's it. Mac only. Just showed you how it made a website. So that's Kiyomi Desktop and that's Claude. Mind you, Claude is still working on the website. We're 9 minutes in. I did not want this video to go long. Claude's still working. Claude is finally done. All right. Pete's Pets. Very nice looking website. It's got our pictures. It's got everything. It looks more polished than Kiyomi. Yeah, it does. It does. It also costs $200 a month. Look at the economic times we're in. If you have a job, you need a backup plan. If you don't have a job, you need something that you can start now and afford. Hey, y'all. Kiyomi Desktop. Just releasing it right now. This is the launch video. $149 and you're done. Or you can pay $200 a month. Hey, man, y'all have a good one. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.